Hey everyone, it's Dan, and today we're going to unbox this DANMOTO, no relation to me, exhaust for a 2021 BMW F750GS. Now the company is located in Japan, so that's where your order will probably ship from. I live in the United States, Central Time Zone. It took 10 calendar days for me to receive the item from the day that I ordered it, and that also included the long 4th of July holiday weekend. So pretty quick turnaround time. You can see that the item comes shipped in a box that's wrapped around. I'm going to finish tearing this thing open now. Alright, so in addition to the shrink wrapping up on top, it's also wrapped around and looks like an express pack here. So we'll go ahead and carefully open that up. Okay, so still looks like the can is inside of the box, and it looks like there's a pipe wrapped around it. Okay, so it's packaged pretty well in some bubble wrap. This looks like a 48 to 51 clamp. Looking good. Alright, got an instruction packet. Alright, it is in English. Looks like a mounting bracket. Got a couple of retaining springs, hold it in place. Oh yeah. Clamp that goes around the can. And here it is. So this really does feel like it's very sturdy build construction. I do have another one of these installed in a different motorcycle. It's a Ninja 300, so look for that other video. Very well built. Looks like there is a baffle that goes inside of it that you can either leave installed, or if you want to pull it out if you want a little bit less resistance. And it comes with a tag that you could stick right on the side of this. And that's it. Alright, so it looks like this guy is ready for an installation. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and look for the next video in the series in which we do the installation of the DANMOTO exhaust onto a 2021 BMW F750GS. See you next time.